I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling developer options so USB debugging appears. Tap build number 7 times in About Phone, you'll see a confirmation. Once done, go into developer options and toggle USB debugging on. Make sure your phone has at least 30% battery and use the original or a high-quality cable. It avoids flaky connections. On the computer, install Android platform tools, unzip to a folder you remember. This prepares both devices. Next, we connect and authorize. You now connect the phone to the computer using the prepared cable and select File Transfer or the equivalent USB mode if prompted. When the RSA authorization dialog appears on the phone, tap Allow to trust this computer. This step creates a secure ADB pairing. On the PC, open a terminal in the Platform Tools folder and run a DB devices to confirm the device appears. If it shows as unauthorized, revoke authorizations and retry. Once listed, you can run commands and debug apps. You're at the finish line. Use a DB shell to access a device shell, a DB logcat to stream logs, and a DB install to load APKs. These are the practical uses of USB debugging. If the device doesn't appear, first swap cables and USB ports, then restart the ADB server with a DB kill server followed by a DB start server. Make sure USB mode is correct and that you allowed the RSA key. If needed, revoke USB debugging authorizations on the phone and reauthorize to clear pairing issues. This fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.